Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of installation failed on AI Chatbot Nova. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search for Chatbot AI Nova. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. After that we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.